Hi everybody and welcome. My name is Greg Dawes and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that will help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Today we're going to discuss the Manage Favorites feature for reports, which allows you to easily manage and access the reports that mean the most to you. Considering the number of reports that you can run with ProPricer, from the standard reports that ship out of the box to the endless custom reports, knowing how to manage your favorite reports can save you a ton of time by eliminating the need to dig through a long reports list. To locate this feature, navigate over to the Reports tab of the ribbon right here in the Favorites section. The most current version of ProPricer, version 9.3 build 105, which we hope you've upgraded to, comes prepackaged with 90 reports. These reports can be found by clicking the Report List button in the Reports section of the ribbon. You might also have your own custom reports, so your total number of reports could be well over 100. Sorting all of these reports can be cumbersome, so organizing your most used reports can save you valuable time, which we all know equals money. The most popular reports are displayed in the Favorites section of the ribbon and include the top 6 reports. Then, if you click the More button, located here, the next 9 favorite reports will be displayed. So this Favorites feature provides you with quick access to your top 15 reports. These top 15 reports can be customized to include the reports that you use most by clicking the Manage Favorites button. This brings up the Manage Favorites dialog box, which allows you to add, delete, or reorganize the top reports. If you would like to rearrange the list, simply click a report and use these up and down arrows to position it where you'd like. You can also rearrange your top 15 reports by selecting a particular report, clicking the drop-down arrow on the right of the cell to reveal the full report list, then clicking the report you'd like to use instead. I'm going to use the Material Cost Ad Hoc report for this example. Now let's click the Apply button to accept the changes that we've made. As you can see, the settings for Manage Favorites are saved for each individual user so that every person who logs into ProPricer can display their own customized list of report favorites. If you made changes to your favorites reports list and you would like to bring back the default list, click the Restore Defaults button located here and click Apply. Lastly, and while not a feature directly related to the Manage Favorites button, you can also use the Quick Access toolbar for quick and easy access to your favorites reports. Do this by right-clicking the report that you would like to add and clicking Add to Quick Access toolbar. You can add as many reports as you like to the Quick Access toolbar. Remove a report from the toolbar by locating the report in either the Quick Access toolbar or the Reports list, right-clicking the list and clicking Remove from Quick Access toolbar. To sum it up, the Manage Favorite feature allows you to organize the reports you use most often so they are always within an easy reach. If you thought this video was awesome and helpful, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any tips and tricks of your own, go ahead and post a link or comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Again, my name is Greg Dawes, and as always, thanks for watching.